Hello again, my friends. As promised, we'll now have a look at issue 2 of the Batmobile Tumbler. In this one, we have received one of the wheels. So let's have a look. Again, before taking the parts out, let's have a quick look at the inventory and just visually check that we have everything. Yep, tire, outer rim, inner rim, the hub nut and the washer, and some screws there. Yep, everything seems to be in order. Again, careful when you are taking them out of the packaging so they don't fly about. This is a hefty tire. That's a big wheel. Okay. The washer, the hub, and the screws. Okay, everything seems to be there. So let's have a look. So first, identify the correct position of the threads. So the white tire thread should be facing left, and then insert the outer rim like so, and then the inner rim should just slide in. Just make sure the screw holes are aligned. Just fix it in place with 3 cm screws. Again, not too tight. Once you feel some resistance from the screw, just stop, so you don't risk it breaking into shredding the screw in there. Like so. So there you go, this is one tire done. Just save the hub and the washer for a later stage, so I don't risk losing them. I'm gonna use the screw bag to save them in there, because I'm usually saving the extra screws, because you never know when you lose one and you might need a replacement. So there we go, this is issue 2 completed, tire done. We'll see you shortly when I get delivery of issues 3 and 4.